Hello, do you want a block blast strategy? Okay, we are going to the game, okay, of block blast. We are going to the block blast, okay, and here we are going to the mode of classic, okay. Go to the classic mode, okay, and here have this, okay. You put this in the corner, okay, replay, and here, okay, you put this here, okay, here and here, okay, and you have the glitch, okay, or strategy on block blast, okay, here, okay, and you have the strategy, nice strategy for the more points, okay, in block blast. Bye bye.